Hi y'all, just wanted to jump in really quick and welcome you to my channel. I have been gone for a couple of weeks. Actually, it's been a little more than a couple of weeks. Lots going on in my life, family, traveling, just all kinds of different things, but I am back and ready to open a new Stitch Fix box. So hang on and let's get right to it. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today it's a Stitch Fix day. Before we get started, I just want to thank you all for watching my channel. Thank you to my subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, why don't you think about doing that? I just appreciate so much that there are a few folks out there who want to watch. Let's get into this box. I will put all the details about Stitch Fix down in the description, but it is another one of those styling boxes where you give them your wants and needs. They will curate several outfits for you. Stitch Fix, you usually get, or you do get five things. You have 3 days to try them. 3 days to try them on. You can extend that date. I almost always extend. Always get a return mailer. Here's my little bundle. This Stitch Fix is going to be a little different. This is more casual, and I asked for that. I asked for more casual things. I must say, I peeped, and so they did do what I asked. You always get a note from your stylist, and my stylist is Liza. I've had her before. She's done really well for me. I did preview and pick some of these. Some I did not. With Stitch Fix also, there's a $20 styling fee. I have the style pass, so I don't pay that anymore, but you pay $20, and if whatever you buy, the $20 goes towards, and if you don't get anything, then you lose that. But also, if you keep all 5 items, you get a 20% discount, and you get your $20 applied. So it can turn out to be a pretty good deal. So let's get into this box and see what they sent me. Okay, here it is. Like, construction next door. They're doing a remodel. We finally finished our remodel. Yay, and we've moved back in. This is Market & Spruce Freya High Rise Capri, $44. And these are just, ooh, they're wrinkled. They're very light stretch drawstring waist with some stretch. They've got pockets in the front, pretty deep pockets. Pockets in the back don't work. And then it's got a cuffed, goodness gracious. These are pretty stretchy, but you'll have to, when I try them on, you'll just have to imagine that the cuffs are cuffed. Those are cute. Let me look really quick and see what the fabric is. 85% cotton, 13% rayon, and 2% spandex. Should they be this wrinkled with all of that? Somebody? Who knows? Okay, next, very, very casual. This is the Seeing Stars Tory Sleep and Lounge Super Soft ... Don't know exactly what the rest is, but this is cute. This is comfy, camo, very, very soft. This is just something to hang out, and it's a set. What's the bottom? Okay, the bottom's banded. I asked for more casual, hang around the house kind of things. She delivered. Next is, this is the Colette Romy Cold Shoulder Knit Top in purple. And I'm not a huge fan of cold shoulder. I feel like that's kind of passé, but this is cute. I like the color. It too is pretty soft. Let's look at the cold shoulder. It's really, well, I'll try it on before I say anything, but that's cute. And then almost last, these are the North Face Aphrodite 2.0 Capri in olive. These are very close to the style of the other ones. They look like utility pants to me. But super cute. We'll see. Again, I have to get past the wrinkles. And then these, I did ask for these. I saw another YouTuber, C. Elise. If y'all ever, I don't know if y'all ever, it is so dark in here. C. Elise got these in her fix a while back. If you don't watch her, you need to. She's hilarious. But anyway, I have been on the lookout for some really comfortable house shoes. And these are house shoes, but they're also not. They're Toms. They're fuzzy, that you can step into them and do that if you want to, but they also, you can wear them outside. So they're great to wear in the house as house shoes, but you can also wear them outside. They just look like fuzzy little sneakers. So I'm very excited about these. So let's get to the try on and see what we think. All right, here is the Romy Cold Shoulder Knit Top by Colette. In purple size small, $34, so not bad. And the North Face Aphrodite 2.0 Capri Olive size small, $42.09, not bad. I actually, when I first put the capris on, I thought, I'm not gonna like these, but I actually kind of like them. I really do. They've got some seam detail and then seam kind of down the front. Ignore the band-aid. I ran into something and cut my shin. But I think they're cute. And then the top is cute. I wish it wasn't cold shoulders. It's cold shoulder. When I put it on, I actually stuck my arm through the shoulder and thought, wow, this feels weird, but I figured it out. Anyway, I think it's cute. Okay, I will be back with outfit number 2. Alrighty, this is the Tory Sleepin' Lounge Super Soft Something by Seeing Stars, beige, size small, $62. Okay, I thought I was gonna like this. And it is very comfortable. It is very comfortable. Very soft, very comfortable. But it's a little too G.I. Joe for me, even to wear around the house. I just don't love it. It does have a band around the bottom, and then it's got the band around the sleeves. It's got the drawstring waist. And here's just a little too camo for me. My grandkids might get a kick out of them because, as I said, I feel like G.I. Joe. No, not even to wear around the house. I don't feel, not me. Now, for these shoes that I was so excited about. The Toms Ezra Flat Off-White 7.5, 58.54. I'm so disappointed. They're not uncomfortable, but they're not as comfortable as I'd hoped. They're not squishy. There's not a lot of give in the soles, and also they're a little too big in the back. My heel slides up and down, and I did want to show you this, how you can like wear it like a slipper and not a shoe. But they say they're for in or out, wear them out and about. To me they look too much like slippers. But let me show them to you up close. They're very cute, and then like that, you step on that and it just comes down. But no, I'm so sorry that these are not going to work for me. But last outfit, I think. I'll be back. Last are the Freya High Rise Capri in pink, size small, $44, Market and Spruce. I think they're okay. Pockets in the front. This is probably not a top I would wear with it, but Let me give you the price. Not bad. The Stylist Picks subtotal $240.63. The buy all discount 25%. I think I said 20 in the beginning of the video. 25%. 25% off is less $60.16. And so the order total is $180.47 plus tax, which is not terrible. I had high hopes because I thought this was gonna be, I kind of thought this could be a 5 for 5. I was really gonna buy the shoes that I asked for. I was super excited about those, but I did not like them. And they just look too much like house shoes. That's just not I'm not one of those who likes to run around in their house shoes to the store. I just don't. The only thing that I'm thinking about keeping would probably be the olive pants. Maybe the cold shoulder top. I did think it was cute if it didn't have cold shoulders, but it is cute and it is comfortable, so I did like that. But I think I'll keep the olive pants. Definitely not a 5 for 5 this time. Although I do think Liza did a good job. She did what I asked her. Just wasn't exactly my taste, and I'm so disappointed in the shoes. But that is it for this Stitch Fix unboxing. I'll see you for the next May Stitch Fix unboxing. Well, I hope I'll see you before then. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye, y'all.